Daniel. Dude, this is like, I mean, this is ridiculous.
Oh man, yeah. Oh, that is so cool.
When YouTube goes here, man, jeez. Look at this. I love it. They're all gonna be like, I can't believe I freaking missed it. Yeah, rolling.
Can we get closer?
Dude, roll it right at the church. I mean, right at the cafeteria. Throw it and hit the brick wall.
All right. Heads up, guys. Here we go.
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole! Take cover!
Damn.
That one I got. Dude.